This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the essentials. Download the Android X86 ISO that matches your processor architecture, and grab Rufus or Bailnet Etcher to write the ISO to a USB drive. Once done, plug in an 8 GB or larger USB. Make sure Secure Boot is noted because it can prevent booting. Reboot into BIOS or UEFI and enable virtualization and USB boot order. These steps get you to the boot menu quickly, and they explain why each tool and firmware change matters for a clean install. You now create the installer and boot into it. Open Rufus, pick the Android X86 ISO, choose the correct partition scheme, GPT for modern UEFI, MBR for legacy, and write the image. Once written, reboot and select the USB boot device from the boot menu. Pick Live to test or Install to proceed. When installing, create an ext4 partition and format it, install grub, and be careful to preserve the Windows EFI partition if you want dual boot. This gives you control and avoids overriding Windows. You finish by completing Android X86 first boot setup. Configure language, Wi-Fi, and enable the Play Store if the build supports Google services, then sign in. Once running, fine-tune DPI, input mappings, and install additional drivers or guest editions if using a VM to improve performance. If things go wrong, check one key troubleshooting tip. Disable Secure Boot in UEFI or reflash the USB using an alternate tool like Bailnet Etcher. That step resolves most boot and driver permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.